It's KJH Family and Fun.
Hi, it's me KJH the filmmaker / artist and welcome to KJH Family and Fun. Today on KJH Family and Fun, I'm going to celebrate Halloween by baking Halloween-themed sugar cookies. Last year was the gingerbread house. That seems like a mess. And now it's the sugar cookies. Before we start, my relatives from our last video came over to our house, and all my siblings were there too. I didn't make a video, but instead, I had a picture taken instead. And also, I made a t-shirt and a sweater for Halloween if you look at my Pinterest account. And I've also made it for my mom. We were like going to a Halloween party, and I have pizza and dessert meals. Before starting, last week, I carved a pumpkin for the event, and it's now a jack-o'-lantern. I did this at the thing that I was working with. Then later the next week, I arrived at the job, and we had a late breakfast from IHOP. The Halloween party was fun, but it was the last Friday of October. And speaking of Halloween, I have a video from at the art studio that showcases 31 pictures of monsters, and it went live today, and it's now available to watch. That's all I have to say, so let's bake some sugar cookies, shall we? To the kitchen.
Hi, it's me. Welcome to the kitchen. So right now I'm here at the kitchen, so you kind of see that I have like these stuff being ready together. There's also that sugar cookie mix that I'm making. I know it looks like it's kind of holiday themed, and I'm just mixing it. I'm just making cut-out sugar cookies, mixing with the flour and butter and eggs and stuff, and then there's also the mixer here. And you kind of see I also have like these cutouts or something like that. So these are just Halloween themed cutout sugar cookies or something like that. And there's also one thing only, I don't have any icing for the decoration, so we're just going to eat it plain. So I'm just going to have to eat it plain based on how it's shaped or something like that. You kind of know what is going on around here between me and baking some of that baked goods for Halloween or something like that. So I guess we're just going to start baking. But before we bake, I'm just going to have to wash these because these cutouts need to be washed anyhow. So I'm just going to start baking cookies. Before I do it, I'm just going to wash the cutout cookie cutter or something like that, even though it's Halloween themed. So let's get baking, shall we? But first, we gotta do a little more cleanup, and then we're gonna get going. So let's bake some cookies, shall we? Okay, so pretty much these Halloween cookies are finally finished baked, so you kind of see all these stuff is baked or something like that. And yep, I'm going to decorate it, even though I thought I was going to bake a cookie without any decoration or something like that. But as a matter of fact, we got frosting decoration, which is still good. My mom told me that if it's open, it's not even good. Like, if it's open in the past world, if it's not even good. If it's closed, it's still good anyhow. I'm not sure how long we had those frostings for, so maybe I'm just going to continue on. But first, I got to have myself a late lunch before I even start decorating, because I have to wait for these cookies to cool down from now on. So, let's get started, shall we then?
Hi, it's me again, and I might have to say that I have my fun. I enjoy baking cookies and decorating, and I try the cookies and it tastes really good. Then later, me and my mom went out for some errands, which was the boring side, and we also got some candy for the trick-or-treaters even though we never had any trick-or-treaters in years, and part of it is that we live in maybe isolated areas. We would somehow celebrate Halloween on our own, or we just don't celebrate. I'll talk about the past Halloween and storyboard my life somehow. For the record, the trick-or-treaters never came. I'm guessing that they celebrated Halloween at a different event, like for example trunk or treat at some community somewhere for some reason. Then again, I played Animal Crossing, for they are celebrating Halloween. It was a fun game, and I enjoyed it. So anyhow, happy Halloween everyone. I guess that's all I have to say in order to explain what I did on an event. For more information, you can go to my website at www.KJH Art.Studios.com, and you can go to videos and see the trailer version. To see the full version of the videos, you can go to the subscribe button on the top right, and you would pay for either one of the two short-term subscriptions that seemed like a rental deal or the long-term subscription for $10 per month. That's up to you for the choices you make if you want to watch the full version as well as the trailer version. If you can't afford any of these things, you can subscribe to this channel including my other two channels for free, and you can also try out the playlist for KJH Family and Fun for free too. So make sure you give this video a like if you like it, and give the artist and filmmaker a high five. So thanks for watching.